How to change front brake pads on your 2017 WRX. These are the only tools you're going to need. 14mm pair of pliers or a C-clamp to push the piston back in on the caliper, a 19mm and a breaker bar to break the lugs loose, grease, your brake pads, and you also need a jack. First you use your 19mm and you break all your lug nuts loose. Next, you're going to jack the car up. Take the tire off. 14mm. You're gonna break this bolt loose, that bolt loose. Old pads are off. Take our pliers. Squeeze the piston back together. I recommend using a C-clamp. It's tough. Might have to go back and forth a little bit to get them all the way in, because it pushes the pressure back and the fluid back and forth. Now that that's done, go ahead and grease our slide pin, or grease our clips. I'm not replacing these ones because I tried on the other side and it's a pain in the butt. So I just put the old ones back on. I just grease right here on the clips, right here and right here. Put some grease on there. There we go. Put some grease. Slide pin, couple dips, you're just fine. I just twist it on there. It distributes the grease pretty good. And the other one, spin it when you put it on. Pads are on. Put your wheel back on. The last step you always do when you do brakes, you pump the brake pedal before you go anywhere. Start the car. Not in gear though. Start the car. Pump the brake pedal. I like to take my flat tip and try to I picked up these Durlast gold pads. They come with all the clips and the pads. Brake grease. Oh, I'm fucking done. This thing's junk.
What?
Guess I'm gonna turn this back on so y'all can watch me cuss some more. Where the hell the other clips go? Oh, here's one. There's two. Fucking throw them. There's the pads over there. Why don't they fit? Who fucking knows? Subaru's junk. Fucking junk. Subarus are junk. So if you're looking up this video, I'll just let you know firsthand, Subarus are fucking junk. Why don't you go, you piece of shit? I literally hate fucking Subarus. Fucking junk. Anybody else's Subaru wear brakes funny? Because this fucking garbage that they're putting on it that has to. This is fucking ridiculous.